Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tay, again with another cleaning video. So today's video, I'm cleaning my son's room. Y'all, I have no idea what this kid does in here to make his room so junky so quickly. Anybody know? I just don't get it. However, we've got to get this together because we are not taking this into 2020. So we are going to sit here, work together. Teamwork makes the dream work, and get this cleaned up and move forward. The amount of dirty clothes that he has is absolutely ridiculous. Stay until the end and you will see how high this pile gets. It's ridiculous. And these papers as well. Paper clutter is a big one for him and for me. So I'm having him go through his papers because he needs to figure out what he still needs for school and what he doesn't need. And I'm going to go ahead and hang up his stuff, put everything else where I know that it goes, and let him deal with the little knick-knack stuff such as the paper and the toys. I am planning on doing an organization series on my channel here in 2020 to organize some spaces in my home that just have not been functioning well for me. So if you're interested in that, leave me a comment down below. Let me know any videos that you would like to see, and I will definitely make those happen in 2020. I'm going to be sitting down and doing my planner and trying to map out exactly what I want to do, when I want to do it, and how I want to do it, so I can be a lot more consistent in 2020, because 2019 was a trial run for me. All right, so we finally made it to my favorite part of any cleaning video, the vacuuming. Y'all, the vacuum lines, they're so satisfying. They make me so happy. They make it all worth it at the end. But during, I'd be like, y'all, I'm not here for this. But then when I get to do this part, oh, it just makes me so happy. And I love my Dyson. And I really want to get a cordless Dyson, but I don't have the coins for that. So we're gonna stick to my little tried and true one right here until, somebody want to slide one in my DMs or something. So I definitely want to upgrade his bed. He wants a queen. I'm thinking a full and just not redecorate, I guess redecorate and decorate his room into more of a big boy or preteen, teenager kind of room. However, we are not trying to go in debt in 2020, trying to make things happen. I'm going to stay in my financial lane and do what I can as I can. So, he's going to be rocking the Spider-Man for a little bit longer, but he still loves it. My kid is a kid, and I love that because other 12-year-olds think that they're grown, and he's not, and he knows it. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching another video. I plan to have one more come out before 2019 is over, but if not, I will see y'all in 2020. Stay blessed, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below.